Alright guys, in this video we're going to learn how to multiply by 11 mentally. Let's start with the basic multiples of 11. Let's say 1 times 11, we know that's 11, that's a simple one. 2 times 11 gives us 22. 3 times 11, that's 33. And this goes on until we have 4 times 11, 5 times 11, and so on. So we end up with a table like this. Let's say I have a 2-digit number and I want to multiply it by 11. What do? So let's say I have 23 times 11. The easiest way to multiply 23 by 11 mentally is to write the 2 first, leave a space, write the 3, and then add 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3? 5. You write the 5 here, and that's your answer, 253. Let's take another example. Let's say 44 times 11. Right, so write the first 4 on the left, the second 4 write it on the right, keep a bit of space, add 4 plus 4, that gives us 8, and that's our answer. Here's another example. Let's say 81 times 11. Write the 8, write the 1, add 8 plus 1, and you get 9. But what happens if the numbers add up to a number bigger than 10? For example, let's say 75 times 11. In this case, we write the 7, we write the 5, and then 7 plus 5 is 12. So you write the 2 here, but then you carry the 1 and you add it to 7. And that becomes 825. One more example. Say 58 times 11. Write the 5. Write the 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write the 3 here. Add the 1 to the 5. That gives us 6. So the answer is 638. 638. Now, what happens if the numbers are bigger than 2-digit numbers? For example, let's take an easy one. 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2 times 11. So first we write the 3. Start with the 3. Then add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. We write 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. We write 3. 1 plus 4 is 5, write the 5, 4 plus 1 is another 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then we finish it off by writing the 2 here. And that's our answer, 3,535,532. Let's look at one more example where the numbers are all less than 9 when you add them. Let's take 6, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 5, and 4 times 11. Right, so start off with the 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 4 is 9, and then we finish off by writing the 4 here. So our answer is 685,675,694. And when the numbers add up to something bigger than 9, say 7, 1, 5, 8, 6, 2, 1, 3 times 11. We start off with the 7, so write the 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. So we're going to write the 3 here, and we're going to carry the 1 over to the 6. So the 6 becomes a 7. 8 plus 6 is 14. We write the 4 here. The 1 carries on to the 3, so this becomes a 4. The 3 here becomes a 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then we finish off with the 3. So the answer is, let's write that down again, 787,448,343. And this is our final answer. Hope you enjoyed the video.